Ah, the Orange Valley. Peaceful, quiet, and smelling like pure vitamin C heaven.
I'm gonna be the best farmer ever! Just need to figure out how this giant red beast works. My precious! It's round, it's bouncy, it's absolute perfection.
Don't mind if I do. Finders keepers, little guy. Time to hit the road! Eat my dust!
Wait a minute! Did I just hear a banana wrapper opening? Or footsteps? Hey! Come back! That's my ride! And you didn't even pay for the fruit!
Oh, you are in so much trouble! Nobody steals my tractor and gets away with it!
Officer Panda here. A tractor heist? Don't worry, kid. I'm on the case.
Badge? Check. Belly? Check. Time to protect and serve the snacks.
Dispatch, this is Officer Bamboo. I am rolling out. Keep the donuts warm for me. I am in hot pursuit. Suspect is heading towards the vitamin C sector at high speed.
Pull over! That tractor is not street legal, and neither is your driving! Oof. Note to self, trees do not move out of the way. That is a bummer. Plan B! Engage leg drive! You will never catch me, I am a primate in prime time! You have the right to remain silent and peel oranges for community service, buddy. Here, kid, you are the new manager. Do not drive like your uncle, okay?
Ooh, shiny! Time to get to work. No crashing, just picking fresh juice.
Heavy lifting builds character. Look at me go! I am the boss of the harvest now.
Rolling out with the vitamin C. Yeah! Gotta keep them clean and shiny before the squeeze.
Ugh. Squeeze! Almost there.
Now that is liquid sunshine. Here you go, little buddy. Sharing is the best part, right? One for the basket, and oh, hello, butterfly. You want some too? Hey! Wait up, little friend, where are you going?
Oh, hello there, pretty fly.
Hurry, hurry! It's harvest time, gotta move!
Well, well, well. What do we have here? A walking nugget?
Come on, bucket of bolts, start! We don't have all day! Hello? Is anyone out there? I think I took a wrong turn at the big tree.
ROR. Just kidding. Sort of.
Yikes! Help! Stranger danger!
Halt! Step away from the featherball, Stripes. The sheriff is in town. You want him? You gotta go through me and my stick of justice! Quickly! Into the escape vehicle! Don't look back! Eat my dust, kitty cat! Faster! He's gaining on us! Come back! I just wanted to ask about your car insurance.
Safe and sound. Movie night is definitely on me, little buddy. Emergency! I need the medical kit right now!
Don't worry, little buddy. Dr. Monkey is here to fix you up good as new.
Sweet dreams. You need lots of rest to heal. While you rest, I will make the ultimate super energy smoothie.
Look at that beautiful pink color. It is pure vitamin power.
Here's to being healthy and happy. This is the best juice ever. All right, time to get to work. Let's fire this big machine up.
I think I will take the shortcut through the river valley.
Oh no! My tractor is stuck in the mud! I can't move it!
Hello? Rescue team? Please help me! I'm stuck in the river!
Don't worry, little friend. Captain Panda is on the way.
Here I come to save the day. Do-do-do.
Hook is secure. Lifting now.
All right, stand back. I'm gonna pull you out.
Thank you so much, Captain Panda. You're my hero.
La la la. What a beautiful day to drive my tractor. Gotta get some wood. I'm building a 5-star hotel for my tomatoes.
Okay, step 1. Get the best seeds. Are these for pizza or ketchup? Let's find out.
Tools? Check. Cuteness? Double check. Let's hit the road.
Security system activated. No hungry bunnies are getting in here on my watch.
Sleep tight, little seeds. Dream big and wake up delicious. Look at that! It's happening! The magic is starting. Whoa! Look at the size of these! I'm a farming genius! Gotcha! You are coming home with me for a salad party!
That was hard work! Don't forget to smash that like button for more monkey business. Bye!
Hello, tiny swimmers. Don't worry, I'm not a cat. You are safe with me.
Walking home with my new friends. Note to self, water buckets are heavier than bananas.
Oh, my bananas! Who drank all the water? My front yard looks like a giant cracker.
I need big wheels, a big scoop, and 0 license to drive it. Climbing Mount Excavator. Why did they make the door so high? I need a ladder for my ladder.
Okay, left stick makes it go vroom, right stick makes it go boom. Let's rock and roll! Full speed ahead.
which is actually very slow, but look at me go!
Found it! The wet stuff! Now to bring this river to my thirsty house.
Uh-oh. The river manager is here, and he doesn't look like he enjoys surprise visitors.
No parking in the splash zone! Get that metal monster out of my bathtub! All right, time to climb this mountain of metal and get the job started. Up we go!
Uh-oh. Excuse me, Mr. Crocodile. I think you're in my parking spot.
Yikes! Okay, I'm leaving. No need to get so snappy, buddy.
Wait a second. Which one of these levers makes the machine go vroom? I am so lost. Hold on. I forgot my tools. Be right back in a jiffy.
Little zap here. A spark there. Ooh, gotta make sure this is built tough.
Ta-da! Now that is a masterpiece. I should be a professional builder.
Packing some delicious snacks. Is this for me or a treat for a crocodile friend?
Easy does it, steady hands. Look at that lift, smooth as butter. Mission accomplished. We are rolling out. La la la, what a day!
A perfect sunny day to set up a little surprise by the river.
Hey, this delicious snack is irresistible. The trap is set.
Oh boy, is it my birthday? Free lunch right here.
Hey, wait a minute. Did the door just lock? Room service?
Gotcha! No more skipping dinner time, buddy.
Copy that, Agent Monkey. Dispatching the heavy mover now. Big Yellow is online, ready for extraction.
Great teamwork, partner! Mission accomplished! We did it!
Time to bring in the big wheels. Up we go! All right, time to dig the world's biggest swimming pool. Heavy lifting is my cardio.
Look at these guys just swimming around doing nothing. I wish I was a fish. No taxes, just snacks.
Okay, climbing Mount Everest. I mean, the tractor seat. Why is this thing so tall?
Cruising down the street in my 6'4". Wait, this is a tractor. Eat my dust, slowpokes.
Drink up, my little grape friends. Hydration is key to staying juicy.
Snip, snip. One for the basket, one for... Nope, strictly business. No eating the merchandise yet.
Is that a giant cloud? Or did the sky just blink at me? Uh-oh, I smell trouble.
Code Red! Run for your lives! My fur is not waterproof! Abort mission!
Actually, forget the rain. Mud party. Who needs a shower when you have nature's chocolate mousse?
Hello? Wait a minute. Ooh, did the ground just quack at me? Or is my stomach rumbling in duck language?
Why is wood so heavy? Okay, biceps, don't fail me now. We have a mission.
Well, hello there. You look like a rubber ducky that escaped from a giant bathtub. Need a lift?
Come on, little guy. Grab on. Let's get you out of this soup before you turn into a prune.
VIP Express coming through. Keep your feathers inside the vehicle at all times. Next stop, dry land.
Let Dr. Monkey check the landing gear. Looks like you stepped on a sharp pebble. Don't worry, I have the magic red box. Band-aids, snacks. Wait, just Band-aids today. And wrap, done. Look at that custom style. You are now the most fashionable duck in the vineyard.
And just like that, the storm passed, leaving behind sunshine and a very unlikely new friendship.
Oh, my bananas! It's so muddy here! I think I'm stuck! Gotcha! Woo! Into the basket you go! These are gonna make the best juice ever! The gate is open! Come on, follow me! Let's see what's outside the fence! Lunchtime for you too, little buddy! Here comes the special delivery!
Good ducky. You need to eat big so we can go on a big adventure. Ta-da! A masterpiece. It looks almost too beautiful to eat. Almost.
Ah, refreshing! Nothing beats a cold smoothie after a hard day of work.
Uh-oh. I don't think this is the petting zoo anymore.
Run!
These tomatoes are exploding with flavor.
Time to get to work. This farm won't run itself.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Ouch!
Hold on back there! We are going full speed!
Eyes on the road, hands at 10 and 2.
Parking this beauty and switching to the heavy gear.
Now we're talking. Time to climb the beast.
Digging holes is so much fun.
Hey! Wait up! I need a lift to the irrigation station.
Well, there he goes. Guess I have to do everything myself around here.
Lefty loosey! Righty tighty!
Come on, you stubborn piece of metal.
Eureka! We have liftoff. Or, flow off.
All right, old Betsy. Time to wake up and get to work.
Nothing beats a sunny day and a sweet ride. Cruising!
Nice day for a walk, isn't it? Just don't eat the tires, okay?
So we cool? You stay in the water, I stay on the land. Deal?
Nước thật tuyệt vời. Một ngày hoàn hảo để bơi.
Look at these beauties! Who wants fresh tomato salsa?
Hey, not bad. A little crunchy, a little sweet. I could get used to this vegetarian diet.
See you later, alligator. Thanks for not eating my tractor.